Today we will be testing the True Trend Oscillator Indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader, and you will get access to our custom indicators as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators and strategies when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the True Trend Oscillator Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 81 different strategies, with 24 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve an 80% win rate. We've tested a total of 885 indicators, with 373 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. You can also check out our new playlist. We'll help you find some of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 88 of the winning indicators. 33 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two a 76% win rate. Now, if you're interested in a full list of all these indicators and strategies and you're not interested in watching all the videos, you can find a full list when you sign up as a patron of the channel. We've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you sign up. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are testing the True Trend Oscillator Indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. The indicator is set up pretty easy. The bar coloration tells us everything we need to know. So when we get a red colored bar, that is a signal to go short. When we get a green colored bar, that is a signal to go long. Real quick, I wanted to point out the new channel playlist that I have created, which will make it a little bit easier for all the viewers to find some of the best indicators that we have tested here on the channel. Just click on our name down in the corner, click on the playlist selection, and then scroll down just a little bit and you'll see the 3 new playlists that I have added to the channel. Like I said, it'll make it just a little bit easier for viewers to find some of the highest win rate indicators that we have tested here on the channel. There are lots of other great ones out there that we have tested, so definitely check out some of the other videos as well, but this will help narrow in on a few handfuls of the best indicators that we have tested. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see we get a red bar right there, but immediately we do switch to a green bar on the very next candle, and so that one is going to stop us out. And then it looks like we switch from that long trade right here immediately into another short as we pick up another red bar right here on the next candle, also stopping us out on that long. Are they going to switch again one more time, immediately straight back into a long trade, and it looks like this one's going to make a push to the upside, which is going to get us to our take profit. Alright, let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, kind of similar action here, a little rapid fire signals, and so we get a short, then switch back to a long, then back to a short, then back to a long. So we get stopped out on those 3 and then finally pick up a long that pushes to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Before we continue on with the testing, if you would please give this video a thumbs up so that way it makes YouTube happy. Please, even if the indicator isn't a winning indicator, please don't give the video a thumbs down. It hurts the YouTube algorithm. We want to keep YouTube happy. And so also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the strategy that we have developed here on the channel. I will put a thumbnail of it up on the screen right now. I will also link to it at the end of this video here with the same thumbnail that you can click on and easily watch that video on the strategy. It's a proven profitable trading strategy that we have back tested and forward tested. We're constantly tweaking and optimizing and looking to make it better. We are also looking to automate that strategy. Hopefully that's something we'll have done in the near future. And once that is done, we'll be offering that to all of our current patrons at a discounted price, and also to new patrons for a higher price. So there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel right now. I highly recommend you check that out. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. So let's scroll this back a little bit there. Try to get everything in focus. Looks like we're going to have quite a few trades within the 1 year's time. Let's go ahead and count them out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38. So we have 38 trades altogether. It's quite a few trades, like I said. Let's go ahead and count out the winning trades and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we have 14 winning trades. And so unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. So this one will go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.